Efficiency challenges faced by many labs are a key driver of digital transformation and the move towards creating labs of the future. One of these efficiency challenges affecting many of our customers is getting a universal, real-time view of their lab operations. Instrument management and scheduling tools are often homemade, fragmented, and are not dynamic or flexible enough to meet the changing needs of the lab. Troubleshooting is arduous and errors are not identified quickly, which increases system downtime and lab inefficiency. As a result, samples often have to be rerun, wasting valuable resources and delaying product to market or shipment of product. In order to monitor systems and ensure the lab is running optimally, scientists and lab managers have to physically be on site, and when they are not, valuable analysis time is lost. To overcome these challenges, we developed Waters Connect System Monitoring, a software solution designed specifically to allow you to monitor your instrument fleet and optimize your laboratory operations from anywhere at any time. Increasing your instrument uptime and lab efficiency was the main driver for us in developing this software. By giving you a holistic view of your systems, you can increase the utilization of your assets more efficiently and reduce resource wastage to truly maximize productivity. Planning of day-to-day work is much easier, and you no longer have to rely on homemade solutions that are often a burden to maintain. Plus, error identification and troubleshooting is faster, ensuring your system uptime is maximized. So let's look in more detail at the functionality of the Waters Connect System Monitoring provides. Firstly, the software shows a real-time status overview of all of your connected systems. This at-a-glance view of your systems allows you to see which systems in your lab are currently running, quickly identify systems in error, and makes it easier to find systems that are idle and available for use. On top of that, Waters Connect System Monitoring also allows you to subscribe to real-time notifications when a status of an instrument changes. So when a running system goes into error, you can react quickly and deal with those errors quickly. With system monitoring, you can maintain a detailed history about each status event, allowing you to make decisions about how to run your day-to-day operations. Information including error details, allowing ease of troubleshooting and increase in system uptime. Running information to see how and when a system is being used. And if you want to know how long a system has been sitting idle, that information is available as well. You can view these status event details in History Timeline to easily visualize the use of each system. Not only does Waters Connect System Monitoring allow you to see the real-time statuses of your systems, but it also provides a system scheduler that eliminates the need for a homegrown solution to plan your work. With the scheduler, you can choose to receive notifications about a system during your reservation time. Reservation history can be viewed alongside status history to really understand more about the operational efficiencies within the lab. From a hardware perspective, Waters Connect System Monitoring is vendor agnostic. You can see the information from your Waters LC instruments on Empower, but also other vendors' chromatography instruments running with Empower. System monitoring can be used with different versions of Empower and with Waters Connect for Waters LC MS systems, all on the same tenancy, which provides much more of a holistic view of your lab. Our cloud-based deployment means you have instant access to the latest software developments, so your lab always has the tools needed to maintain peak productivity. Gain a holistic view of your lab and see all of your Empower and Waters Connect software-controlled systems in one dashboard at any time from anywhere. Maximize the efficiency and productivity of your lab without having to physically be there with Waters Connect System Monitoring.